Kitang yung mga matang maniwalang kaya mo, haharapin, lalaban, walang susuko, makakarating hanggang dulo. Maraming tanong, paano ba ito? May pag-alinlangan, may pagdududa. Kailangan lang tuklasin ano ba ang kaya mo. Ngumiti ka lang, bagong pag-asa'y naghihintay. Huwag kang matakot, kaya mo, kaya mo. Nagdadalawang isip, nanginginig, tumutulo ang luha, nagagalit. Gusto ko na lamang pumikit, pipilitin kong kumapit. Pangangamba ko'y mawawalan na, nararamdaman ng panibagong pag-asa. Ito na ang simula, bahagari nakikita na. Ngumiti ka lang, bagong pag-asa'y naghihintay. Huwag kang matakot, kaya mo, kaya mo. Ngumiti ka lang, bagong pag-asa'y naghihintay. Huwag kang matakot, kaya mo. Ngumiti ka lang, bagong pag-asa'y naghihintay. Huwag kang matakot, kaya mo, kaya mo, kaya mo.
And we are live. Isang magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Isa na namang gabi ng pag-aaral, pagkatuto at kasiyahan ang hatid sa inyo ng Gurong Pinoy. Dito lamang sa nag-iisang #1 online review authority pagdating sa licensure examination for professional teachers, pati na rin sa civil service at pati na rin sa Napolcom entrance examination. And tonight, we will be having 30 items na part ng inyong diagnostic exam sa licensure examination for teachers. Kaya isang magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Pakisulat po ng inyong mga pangalan. Kasunod, ang tatlong letrang inyong minimiti, yung L, T, P, at ang lugar kung saan kayo nanonood sa ngayong gabi. Magandang gabi. Good evening, Sir Armando Corpus. Ayan, March 2025, top 1. Good evening. Ma'am Normalia Basari, LPT. Good evening. Ma'am Bini Aya, Miss C2. Ayan, siguro part si Ma'am Bini ng ating Team Dewey na ngayon nag-aantay na lang ng result ng ating March 2024 na licensure examination. O September pala, ayan. Sir Crisostong Ibarra, magandang gabi. Ma'am Jennifer Rentuya, thank you for tagging your friends. Ayan. Good evening, Ma'am Namol Jenny ALPT from Palawan. Ayan, Ma'am Sir Mark Joseph Bonilla from Camarines Sur. Good evening po. Ma'am Carol B. Flores LPT. Good evening. Ma'am Monica LPT. Ma'am Iris Jane Soto LPT, March 2025. Ma'am Marisa M. De La Cruz LPT. Ma'am Denisa R. Ruga LPT. Sir Graciano Jadimar Herolaga LPT. Sir Cyril N. Lanet, LPP, good evening. Ma'am Mary Jane Lotto, LPP, good evening. Ayan, Sir Giovanni Albinda, good evening. Is watching from Cebu, maayong gabi sa inyo diha. Sir Maki, LPP, Mark Angelo A. Galor, ayan na, mabilis. Ma'am Decime Heverola, watching from Davao. Ayan, Ma'am Denisa Roga is watching from Rizal. At good evening din pala sa ating team YouTube, sa ating team Facebook, pati na rin sa ating team replay at lalong-lalo na sa members ng ating exclusive group, ang ating team Thorndike. Magandang gabi. Ma'am Alice, good evening, is watching from Oman. Ayan, katatapos ng ni Ma'am Alice na mag-exam noong September 2024. Ma'am Akima Hibet Kabandong, Daos, LPP, good evening. And Ma'am Angeline D. Raboy, LPP. Ayan, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. So tapos na ang inyong diagnostic exam. At sino kaya ang mapalat na tatanggap ng ating 100,000 pesos na papremyo sa Guro Pinoy sa magta-top 1 sa ating diagnostic exam? Kaway-kaway at i-claim na kaagad ang papremyo ng Guro Pinoy. Yan. So, muli, this is your Coach Toto and I will be discussing 30 items of mathematics items na part ng inyong diagnostic exam. Ayan. So, and of course, again, this study session is brought to you by Guro Pinoy, your number one online review authority sa LET, sa CSE, sa Napolcom entrance examination. Ayan, kaya sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-enroll, habol na. Dito lamang po sa Guro Pinoy dahil dito hindi imposible ang 85 to 95 na board exam rating. Ayan, so medyo bata pa po ang Guro Pinoy. Pero in the past 5 years po, Guro Pinoy has consistently produced top-notchers at passers and thousands of passers sa licensure examination for professional teachers. Kaya habol na po, habol. Yung gusto niyo pong hayahay ang inyong pag-take ng inyong licensure examination. So, tulad ng dati, before natin simulan ang ating study session, we will be asking for guidance. So I invite everyone to please join me in prayer. Ayan. Sa mga kababayan at kaibigan natin po mga Muslim na nanonood at nakaantabay sa ngayong gabi, sabayan po ninyo kami. You can say your prayer while we say ours. Okay? So here we go. Dear Lord, I come to you to ask for your guidance and direction in this study session. I ask that the Holy Spirit fill me with strength, creativity, and understanding to get through my studies without difficulty or sin. Help me hold my focus and attention. Help me to retain all that I learned. Please make my mind sharp and keep distractions at bay. If any part of my studying is weak or lacking in some way, let it be revealed so that I may correct it. Thank you for this opportunity to learn. Amen. At ayan na nga po. Kapit at i-discuss natin ang inyong 30 items, mathematics items na part ng inyong diagnostic exams. Ayan. Tama ako sa dyscalculia, sabi Ma'am Normalia Basari. Sabi ni Sir Maki, dyscalculia hits me in math during diagnostic. Ayan. So actually po, ang binigay nating part ng mathematics question pala ay mga perennial question po sa licensure examination. Kaya dapat na ma-meet na natin yung mga questions na yun para alam na natin kung ano ang tama sa pagdating sa actual exam kung may encounter natin muli. Okay? At I invite everyone to please be active sa ating study session. Please type in your answers by typing in the number of the item and the letter of your choice para po mas meaningful po ang inyong learning. Dahil as teachers, alam natin yan na if a learner is active in his own learning, the more meaningful the learning becomes. Okay, so let's go. Let's proceed. Ayan, before nga pala tayo mag-proceed, ayan, ano nga po ba ang ating mantra dito sa Gurong Pinoy? Pakisulat po ng ating mantra sa Gurong Pinoy pagdating sa mathematics. Ayan, ang nakikita natin sa ating screen para po mawala ang anumang agam-agam dyan, anumang mga takot. Yung mga sumasayaw ng mga numbers ay mawala at maitaboy natin kung ano man yung nagpapakaba at nagpapabigat sa ating pagdating sa mathematics. Kaya sulat lang, math ka lang, magiging LPP ako. Ayan. Okay, Ayun, Ma'am Katrina Baltasar, math ka lang, magiging LPP ako. Sir Maki, math ka lang, magiging LPP ako. Sir John Paul Abalos, math ka lang, magiging LPP ako. Anwar May Morales, math ka lang, magiging LPP ako. Ayan, Ma'am Princess Castaneda, math ka lang, magiging LPP ako. Ma'am Lea Ochoa, math ka lang, magiging LPP ako. Ganyan po dapat. Hindi dapat maging hadlang ang mathematics sa ating mga pangarap na maging isang full-fledged licensed professional teachers. Pagkatapos ng March 2025 licensure examination. Ayan, so hopefully meron ako yung mga lapis at papel dyan o kayo ballpen at sabayan ninyo ako sa ating pagsusolve sa ating 30 mathematics items sa ngayong gabi. So let's go and solve item number 1. Item number 1, ayan, napakadali. Which of the following numbers below is a prime number? Is it A, 1, B3, C6, or D12? What's your answer? Again, item number 1, which of the following numbers below is a prime number? Is it A1, B3, C6, D12? Ayan. Sir Carl Frederick Goss, ayan. B. Quick Chow, letter B. Ma'am J, ayan. Ma'am Hazel LPT, B. M. Santap 1, Legend, B. Unit Earner Fight, B. Sir Michael Jackson, good evening, B din, ayan. At dapat wala na nagkakamali sa ating item number 1. Okay. At dapat B kasi ang tamang sagot ay letter B. Pero bago natin sagutin to, ayan, dapat natin malaman na there are two types of numbers. Ayan, we have the prime versus before pala yan, kailangan malaman din natin yung odd at saka even numbers. Ayan, odd. Ayan, kasi palagi itong lumalabas. At saka even numbers. And dapat tatandaan lang na ang even numbers are divisible by 2 at ang odd numbers naman is not divisible by 2. Ayan. So, yan. Even numbers divisible by 2, odd numbers not divisible by 2. Now, let's go to the prime versus composite numbers. Ang prime numbers have only two factors. Yun yung 1 at saka yung sarili niya. 1 and itself. So, we have here. At dapat tatandaan na ang 2 pala is the only even prime number. Okay? Ayan. So, tatandaan natin, kapag sinabing prime, the only factors are 1 and itself. Say, for example, we have 7. 7. Ayan. 7, the only factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Kaya 7 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. 5 is a prime number. 11 is a prime number. At whereas, composite numbers, they have more factors aside from, they have other factors aside from 1 and itself. Yeah. Ang example natin dito, we have 4. Kasi ang 4, the factors of 4 are 1, 4, and 2. Ayan, example. And then 6, we have 1, and then 6, we also have 3, we also have 2. Ayan. So, kapag more than 2 ang kanyang factors, those numbers are composite numbers. Ayan, tatandaan. Okay? So, ang 0 naman and 1 are neither prime nor composite kasi hindi siya nagpo-fall sa definition ng prime number or composite number. Yan, subukan natin. Ang 1 is special, 0 as a special number, the same with 1. Ang 1 kasi, ang kanyang factor is only 1. Is only 1 ang kanyang factor, 1. Ayan. Kaya hindi siya prime, hindi rin siya composite. Kaya special numbers ang 0 at saka 1. And with the discussion that we have, having said that, ang tamang sagot sa ating item number 1 is letter B. Ayan. Congratulations. Lahat ay tumumpak sa ating item number 1. Ayan. Wala pong sumagot ng ibang letters sa ating item number 1. Kaya congratulations kung si Coach Jun ako. Medyo may pakalimbang na ako ngayon. So, tumpak yehe ang sigaw ng taong bayan. Ayan si Ma'am Lea D. Ochoa. Tumpak yehe. Tumpak yehe ang lahat. Walang naligwak sa ating item number 1. So, let's proceed to our next item. Item number 2. Ayan, item number 2. If the probability that Jen, that Jen will pass the exam is 5/8, what is the probability that she will not? Is it A, 1/8, B, 5/8, C, 3/8, or letter D, 1? What's your answer? Please keep your answers coming sa ating comment box. Again, ulitin natin. Number 2, if the probability that Jen will pass the exam is 5/8, what is the probability that she will not? Is it A, 1/8, B, 5/8, C, 3/8, or letter D, 1? Ayan, sabi ni Sir Aldi LTTC. Si Sir Gigolo Dulen, C. Ma'am Mary Ann Grijalvon Berdam, C. Ma'am Jean Macanda, C. Ayan, Sir Giovanni Abenda, letter C. Sir Louis Pimentel, LPT, letter C. Sir Carlos Yulo, ayan, C. Tataya ko si Fiang. Si Fiang ba yung sa PBB? Ayan. Ma'am Mary Jane Lotto, C. At umula na nga po ng letter C sa ating comment box. Ayan. Dapat nating tandaan na ang rules of probability na ang total probability, ang probability of an event occurring is between 0 and 1. Between 0 and 1. Kunyari, meron kang line dito. Ayan. This is the probability starts from 0 to 1. Hindi lalagpas sa 1 kasi 1 is already 100% if converted to percentage. Ayan. So, ang number 2 law naman ng total probability for any experiment, the sum of all the outcome probabilities in the sample space must equal to 1. Kapag tinotal mo daw ang lahat ng probability, outcome probabilities, that would be equal to 1. So, total probability, total should be equal to 1. Now, you have here the probability that Jen will pass the exam is 5/8. And then, so what's the complement of 5/8 para maging 1, maging equal to 1? So, kailangan ang kulang dito para maging yung complement na tinatawag ay not part ng probability that Jen will pass. So, dapat ang probability and its complement should be equal to 1. So, ang gagawin mo dito is 1 minus 5/8. Ito yung pagsasolve dyan. So, 1, we know that 1 is 8/8 minus 5/8. So this should be equal to 3/8. Kaya tama po. Ang tamang sagot sa ating item number 2 is letter C. Ayan. Congratulations sa sumagot ng letter C at lahat naman ay sumagot ng letter C. Kaya congratulations everyone. Ayan. Very good. Very good. Magandang panimula. 100% ang accuracy sa ating first 2 items. Tumpak yehe tayo dyan, Sir Ma'am LPT, March 2025. Tumpak yehe. I think within this week or next week, ilalabas ang result ng diagnostics. Nakita na po namin pero we are not at the liberty to reveal kung ang results ng inyong license ng diagnostic exam. Ayan. Basic lang ang probability, sabi ni Sir JJLTT. Ayan, very good at basic ang probability. Okay, tingnan natin later on. We have another problem for probability. Okay, so let's proceed to item number 3. Item number 3, how much will 25,000 pesos amount to at 5% simple interest rate after 2 years? Is it A, 27,500, B, 28,500, C, 2,500, or letter D, 27,000. What's your answer for item number 3? Ayan, Mr. Wright LPT, letter C. Sir Teacher R LPT, letter C. Ma'am L LPT, letter A. Sir Quick Chow, letter A. Again, ulitin natin para hindi malito. Dapat sinusulatan, minamarkahan ang questions para alam ninyo kung ano ang hinahanap. How much will 25,000 pesos amount to at 5% simple interest rate after 2 years? Is it A, 27,500, B, 28,500, C, 2,500, D, 27,000? Now, before we reveal the answer, medyo nagkakalituhan sa letter A or letter C. Ano ba ang hinahanap niya dito? Is it simple interest or the final amount? Is it simple interest or the final amount? Kindly type in your answer sa ating comment box. Is it simple interest or the final amount? Ayan, medyo nagkakalituhan. Top-notcher yehi. Tama po, ang hinahanap dito ay ang final amount. Kasi tinatanong niya dito, how much will 25,000 pesos amount to at 5% simple interest rate after 2 years. Ayan. Kasi kasama na dito, tama po, kasama na ang principal. Ang principal na dito na 25,000 kasama sa tinatanong sa question. So, hindi tayo gamit ng I is equal to PRT dito kasi we are not computing for the interest alone. We are computing for the final amount. Final amount po ang hinahanap natin dito. So, we will use the formula A is equal to P times 1 plus RT, where your A is your final amount, your P is your initial principal balance or your principal, R is your annual interest rate, and T is your time expressed in years. Okay, so our 25,000 here is our principal. Our 5% here is our rate of interest. And we need to convert first yung 5% into decimal form before we can use it. And to convert 5%, again, ulit na to. Pag nag-convert ka ng percentage, 5% into decimal form, you just move the percentage sign 2 places to the left. Ayan. 1, 2. Ayan. At ilagay ang decimal point. Kaya this is equal to 0.05 ang ating interest rate. Ayan po ang ating interest rate. Now, we have here T, which is 2 years. 2 years. And then, we proceed. Ang hinahanap natin ang final amount. So, we will use the formula A is equal to P times 1 plus RT. And then, substituting the values to our formula, we have A is equal to 25,000 times 1 plus 0.05 times 2. Ayan. At this one is equal to 0.1 kasi 0.05 times 2, this is 10. Ayan. This is 0.1. So this is 1.1 times 25,000. And this is equal to, pag ganito, tingnan mo na lang. Ang 0.1 nito is 2,500 plus 25,000. That should be equal to 27,500. So tama po. Ang tumpak na sagot sa ating item number 3 is letter A. Medyo nalito ang iba. Medyo nalito ang iba. Pero marami naman ang tumumpak. Ayan, sa lahat na sumagot ng letter A, congratulations. Tumpak yehe tayo dyan. At sa sumagot ng letter A at ng iba pang letters ng choices, ligwak yehe tayo dyan. Ayun, Sir JM, A tumpak. There is no compound interest. Magkakaroon tayo ng problem sa compound interest. Sir Mark Angelo. Ayan, Sir Mark, salamat, tumpak. Pwede namang I is equal to PRT, pero ayan, tama po ang sabi ni Sir Mark. Ayan, pakita natin. Tama, pakita natin. Pwede namang I equal to PRT ang yung gamitin. Tama lang po, parehas na po yan, pero ang sabi ko nga palagi dito sa ating study sessions na sa mathematics maraming paraan para isolve ang isang problem. If you have a method na you are more comfortable with, yun ang gamitin po ninyo. Ayan, so ang sabi ni Sir Maki, pwedeng I is equal to PRT. I is equal to PRT. So I is equal to principal na 25,000 times 0.05 times 2. So this is still 2 times 0.05. This is 0.1 times 25,000. I is equal to 25. And then, wag kakalimutan na this is only your interest. Pagkatapos, i-add mo muna to dito sa 25,000 and you will get the same answer as letter A, 27,500. Excuse me. Okay, paano po naging 27,500? Ayan. Pareha po. Naipakita ko na po kung paano naging 27,500. Kung gagamitin mo ang formula I is equal to PRT, ang makukuha mong answer dito, I is equal to 2,500. Pero wag mong kakalimutan na this is only the principal. This is the interest. I-add mo siya sa principal na 25,000 and that will give you 27,500. Okay? So, medyo hindi pwede ang calculus sa Gen Ed. Tama po yan, mamaya. Hindi po pwede ang calculus. Okay? So, medyo marami na ligwak. Pero mag-move on tayo. Mag-move on. Let's proceed to item number 4. Item number 4 na tayo. Item number 4. Number 4, if Usain Bolt can run 100 meters in 8 seconds, how many meters can he run in 12 seconds? Is it A, 100 meters, B, 120 meters, C, 150 meters, D, 200 meters? Okay? Again, number 4, if Usain Bolt can run 100 meters in 8 seconds, how many meters can he run in 12 seconds? Is it A, 100 meters, B, 120 meters, C, 150 meters, D, 200 meters? What's your answer? Ayan, ang daming letter C. Miss Joe, ayan, letter C. Unit Earner Fight, C. Sir Mark Joseph, C. Ma'am Relen Surigao, C. Sir Ma'am Gonzales Cristalin, C. Ma'am Maya, C. Ma'am Joyce Haligado, letter C. At umulan na nga ng letter C. Sir Kevin Duki is also letter C. Ma'am Maria Angeline Manayon, letter C. At letter C ang sagot ng taong bayan. Tama po, may nakita po akong comment dyan. This is ratio and proportion. So, ang gagamitin natin ay ang cross-product formula ng ratio. Ang ratio pala, ratio is expressing the number, two variable as in relation with each other. Kunyari itong kung isang part lang yan, this is ratio. Okay? Expressing two variable in relation with each other. Pero kapag in-express mo na ang dalawang ratio in relation to each other, that's already a proportion. Okay? So sa proportion, meron tayong tinatawag na cross-product property where the product of the extremes is equal to the product of the means. Alin ba ang mga extremes? Ang mga extremes, ito yon yung mga nasa labas, A and B. At ang mga means naman, ito yung nasa loob, yung B and C. So the product of the extremes, A times D is equal to B times C. Pero dapat mag-ingat sa pagsulat ng inyong proportion, sa inyong ratio and proportion, dapat kung ano ang naunang sinulat mo sa first na ratio, sa pangalawang ratio, ganun pa rin ang order ng pagkakasulat. So here, we have 100, this is the distance, is to 8, is equal to X, kasi hindi natin alam ang distance na pangalawa, pero alam natin na 12 seconds ang kanyang time. So, the product of the means is equal to the product of the extremes. Ayan, 100 times 12 is 1,200. And then 8 times X is 8X. And then we divide both sides of the equation by 8 to isolate X. Yan. This is canceled. So we have only X here. And 1,200 divided by 8. This is 1, 8. We are 4. 0. This is 5. 5 times 8 is 40. And we have another 0 here. So the answer is X is equal to 150. And that's letter C. Letter C po ang tamang sagot. Letter C. Ayan. Later on, we will discuss the types of proportion. Okay, letter C po ang tumpak na sagot. Thank you, Ma'am J. Marie, for giving out a detailed solution. Ayan, tumpak yehe ang sumagot ng letter C sa ating item number 4. Very good. Ang gagaling ng members ng ating Team Thorndike. Ayan. Mataas ang nakuhang scores ng members ng ating Team Thorndike sa kanyang diagnostic exam sa mathematics. Tumpak, marami tumumpak. Ayan. So halos lahat ay tumpak, kaya we proceed with the next item, and that's item number 5. Item number 5. Eto, 1/8 plus 2/3 minus 2/5 is equal to A 1/5, B 47 over 120, C 1/6, D 4/5. What's your answer? Number 5, 1/8 plus 2/3 minus 2/5 is equal to A 1/5, B 47 over 120, C 1/6, D 4/5. Ayan, Sir Carl Fredericks Goss, B. Si Ma'am Leia de Ochoa, B. Sir Mark Joseph, LPT, letter B din. Ma'am Mary Grace Francisco, letter C. Sir J.M. B. Sir Jed B. Ma'am Rujen May, letter B. Ma'am Jonah Pamatid, letter B. Ma'am Renalyn Jimena, letter C. Ayan. Ma'am Mary Jane D. Colombino, letter C. Ma'am Gia Abby, letter C. Ayan. Ma'am Risa Sarapudin Ahmad, C. Ma'am April Cabang, letter C. Ayan, hati ang taong bayan sa letter B at letter C. Sir Armando Corpus B. Ma'am Maria Angeline Manayon, letter C. Ayan, hati ang taong bayan. So, paano ba natin ito isosolve? Ayan, in solving this, ayan, isulat natin dito ang ating problem. Ayan, 1/8 plus 2/3 minus 2/5. Ayan. So, ang gagawin mo dito is kailangan maghanap ka muna ng least common multiple sa iyong denominator, sa iyong mga denominators. So, kung minsan ang nagiging least common multiple niya, para sigurado ka, i-multiply mo na lang sila. I-multiply mo na lang sila. So, 8 times 3 is 24 times 5, this is equal to 120. 120 divided by 8, that's 15 times 1. So this is, I think, 15. 15. Ayan. So 120 divided by 3 times 2, this is plus 80. 80. And then 120 divided by 5, this is 24. Times 2, this is 48. So minus 48. So this is equal to 95 over 95 minus 48 over 120. This is equal to 47 over 120. Ayan, tumpak na sagot sa ating item number 5 is letter B. Letter B po, ayan. Sa Plasmodium vivax, hala, sa akin po ba ang naglabas sa quizzes ay 18 plus 23 minus 25. Ayan, baka mali lang po ang pagkaka-include. Alam niyo po, mahirap po mag-include. Alam ko sa mga mathematics teachers dyan, nagtuturo, alam ninyo na mahirap gumawa ng exam sa math kasi sa paghahanap pala ng symbols, ayan, mahirap na. Baka nagkamali lang. So letter B po ang tumpak na sagot. Pero kung nahihirapan po kayo sa paghahanap ng LCM, gamitan nyo ng butterfly method. Kapag addition lang at subtraction ng fraction with different denominators, pwede po ang butterfly method. Unahin nyo muna itong i-add using butterfly method, yung 1/8 plus 2/3. Ayan. Butterfly method, ayan, is equal to, ito muna, 1 times 3, this is 3. 2 times, this is plus, kasi plus to. 8 times 2 is 16. Over 8 times 3, this is 24. So this is equal to 19 over 24. Next, ito, tsaka ang remaining na minus 2/5, i-butterfly method mo rin. So this is 19 over 24 minus 2/5. Using butterfly method ulit, 19 times 5, I think this is 95. Kasi subtraction ito, minus then 24 times 2, this is minus 48. Then 24 times 5 is equal to 120. Ayan, 95 minus 48 is also equal to 47 over 120. Ayan, kung alin ang mas madali sa inyo, yun ang gamitin. Ayan, Sir Macmac, good evening. Coach Tim Dewey here. Nakakamiss mag-review kasama kayo. Thank you very much. Ayan, so ang tamang sagot sa ating item number 5 is letter B. Ayan. So congratulations sa lahat na sumagot ng letter B at lahat naman ng sumagot ng A, C at D. Ayan, bigwak yehey ang sigaw ng taong bayan sa ating comment box. Bonus daw po, walang vote. Ang bilis ba? Mabilis ba? Sige, dadahan-dahanin natin. Sir Ma'am Lauren Luz Biyokong, good evening po. Iba kasi given sa amin sa quizzes. Ayan. So, tingnan na, let me ask the admin. Ayan. Baka po, nagkamali lang kasi kuminsan kapag i-copy-paste, nawawala po yung mga fraction, nagiging numbers po sila. Okay, watching, Sir Mads Reno is watching from Daan, Bantayan, Cebu. Ayan, nakapunta na po ako sa Daan, Bantayan, Cebu. Marami tayong mga friends yan. Good evening po sa mga friends ko sa Daan, Bantayan, Cebu. Good evening, maayong gabi sa inyo diyan. Okay, so let's proceed to our next item. Tumpak ba or ligwak ang ating sigaw sa ating item number 5? Sir Edward Thorndike, sana po may solution ma-upload sa PDF later. Opo. Ako nakikita po ninyo sa inyong mga screen, mayroon po tayong nakatype na mga solutions dyan. Ito po ay makikita ninyo sa inyong PDF na i-upload after the discussion. Kaya po yan po ang mas maganda kapag member kayo ng ating exclusive group. Not only that you will have access to uncut videos dito sa Gurong Pinoy, you will also have access to PDF copies na pinaprovide namin after ng mga coaches after each discussion. Ayan, so tumpak na tumpak. Ayan, si Sir Mads Reno. Ayan, very good. Marami tumumpak, marami din ang naligwa. But we will proceed to our next item. That's item number 6. Item number 6, ayan. 20% of 2 is equal to A, 0.5, B, 0.4, C, 0.2, or D, 0.1. This is a past board exam question. Number 6, 20% of 2 is equal to A, 0.5, B, 0.4, C, 0.2, D, 0.1. What's your answer? Sir Melindo, ayan. Letter B. Ma'am Mary Joy Medino, B. Kim Yang, letter B. Sir Marlon Soliveres, good evening, letter B. Ma'am Bini Kulit, letter B. Sir JJ LPT, letter B. Ma'am Joanna Rose Honson, letter B. Ma'am Rachel Ansala, letter B din. Okay, so Sir Mark Kenneth, lahat ay sumagot ng letter B. Good evening, Ma'am Irene, ayan, watching from Samar. So let's see kung tama nga ba. Ayan, si Ma'am Luz, letter C. Ma'am Rachel Acoba, letter B. Ayan, marami sumagot ng letter B. This is just a problem of percentage rates and bases. At ang sabi nga natin, kapag percentage rates and bases ang problem, we will make use of the Tekens triangle where your P is your percentage, R is the rate, and B is the base. If you're solving for your P, the formula is R times B. Now, if you're solving for the rate, the formula is P divided by B. And also, if you're solving for B, the formula is P divided by R. Okay, sulat natin dito. P is equal to R times B. And then R is equal to P divided by B. Now, here, kung minsan nakakalito ito kasi hindi natin alam kung ang number ba is the percentage or the rate. Pero kapag nakita natin or the base, pag nakita natin may percentage sign, matik, that is your R. That's your rate. That's your rate. So, isa sa mga techniques sa mathematics, sa problem solving sa mathematics ay tagalugin. Tagalugin ang question para mas madali. Kung gusto niyo i-drawing niyo. Kung tagalugin para mas madaling maintindihan. Ang sabi dito, 20% ang of sa Tagalog ay of. Pakisulat nga, ano ang of sa Tagalog? Sa Tagalog, para mas madaling maintindihan, ang of, sabi niya, 20% ng 2 is equal to. Ayan, very good, Ma'am Dayan. Ma'am Princess, ng 20% ng 2 is equal to. So ngayon, naiintindihan mo na kasi 20% ng 2, ibig sabihin ang hinahanap natin ay a smaller number. So we will know that 2 is our base kasi usually the base is greater than the P. Okay? So here, we have 20% ng 2 is equal to, ang hinahanap natin ay P. Ang hinahanap natin ay P ay mas maliit na number. So P is equal to R times B. So P ito yung ating R, this is 20%. So converting it to fraction, i-move natin ang decimal, ang percentage sign 2 places to the left. That's 0.2 times 2. This is equal to, P is equal to 0.4. At indeed, letter B nga po ang tumpak na sagot sa ating item number 6. Okay? Okay, so tama po ang letter B sa ating item number 6. Tumpak, yehe tayo dyan. Okay, so tumpak, yehe, Sir Quick Chow. Ma'am Kim Yang, tumpak, yehe. Ma'am Princess Catanyane, tumpak, yehe. At halos lahat ay tumumpak sa ating item number 6. Tama po yan. Tama po ang letter B sa ating item number 6. Sa wakas, nakatama. Sabi ni Ma'am Maria Isabella. Okay lang na. Okay lang na nagkakamali. Ang importante po ay natututo tayo. Okay? So we proceed to our next item. That's item number 7. Item number 7. The least common multiple of 36 and 24 is A, 72, B, 12, C, 36, D, 48. What's your answer? Again, item number 7, the least common multiple of 36 and 24 is A, 72, B, 12, C, 36, D, 48. What's your answer? Ma'am Mary Ann Grijalvo Bendan, letter B. Sir Carl Fredericks Goss, letter A. Sir Ma'am Kim Jukin, letter B. Adi LPT, letter B. Miss Top Notcher, letter B. Ma'am Dayan, LPT, letter A. Ma'am Joyce Haligado, letter A. Sir Ma'am Jemima Joy Domingo Malubay, letter B. Ma'am Carol Payadan, letter B. Sir Al Ray Villafuerte, good evening po. Letter A. Ma'am Angel Alinio, letter B. Ma'am Monica LPT, letter B. Ma'am Maria Isabella, letter B. Ma'am Marivic Azupardo, letter B. Nagkakalituhan. Okay? Hati sa letter A at sa letter B. The least common multiple or LCM of 36 and 24 is. Ngayon, dapat nating maintindihan ang LCM. This is the smallest number, tandaan, the smallest number that can be divided by both 36 and 24. Ang pinakamaliit na number na madidivide ng 36 and 24. Okay? Ang pinakamaliit na number na madidivide ng 36 and 24. So, ngayon, ang gagawin mo, ayan, may lumilipad. Ayan, may lumilipad. Kaya ang gagawin mo ngayon dito is maghanap ka ng pinakamaliit na number. Magsimula ka sa pinakamaliit na number at tingnan mo kung madidivide the least common multiple kung madidivide siya ng both ng 36 and 24. Yung umpisa tayo sa pinakamaliit, letter B, kaya ba siyang i-divide ng 36 and 24? Of course, hindi. Mali ka agad ang letter B. Ang susunod ay letter C, 36. Madidivide ba ng 36 and 24? Ang 36, hindi rin. Ang 48, madidivide ba ng both 36 and 24? Hindi rin. Pero ang 72, madidivide ba ng 36 and 24? Yes, 72 divided by 36 is 2. 72 divided by 24 is 3. Kaya, ang tamang sagot, ayan ay letter A po. Letter A. May isa pang paraan. Maraming paraan sa ang paghanap ng sagot sa least common multiple. Ilista mo ang multiples ng 36 and 24. Okay. Ano ba ang multiples ng 36 at ng 24? 24 times 1 is 24. 24 times 2 is 48. 24 times 3 is 72. 96, 120. Sunod, ilista mo ang multiples ng 36. 36, we have 36. 70 times 1, 36. 36 times 2, 72. 36 times 3, 108. 36 times 4, 144. 36 times 5 is 180. Ngayon, least ang hinahanap mo. Ang 24 ba ay multiple silang dalawa? Hindi. Ang 36 ba ay multiple nilang dalawa? Hindi rin. Ang 48 ay multiple ba nilang dalawa? Hindi rin. Ang 72 ba ay multiple nilang dalawa? Check. 72 ang tumpak na sagot. Opo, kasi this least common multiple. Pwedeng magparehas pag, kunyari, what is the least common multiple of 24 and 12? So, 24 can be divided by 24 and 24 can be divided by 12. Pero hindi pwedeng bumaba sa kanilang dalawa ang LCM, least common multiple. May isa pang paraan. Okay, may isa pang paraan. Okay, 36, 24. Para, ayan, ito, para hindi kayo malito. 36, hanapin mo yung number makaka-divide sa kanilang dalawa. Kunyari, alam mo na 6. 6. 36 divided by 6 is 6. 24 divided by 6 is 4. May makaka-divide pa ba sa kanilang dalawa? Meron pa, 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now, kung relatively prime na ang dalawang number sa baba, pwede ka nang magsimula. Okay? Ibig sabihin ng relatively prime or co-prime, ang kanilang common factors na lang ay 1. Okay? This side here alone, ito, only this one is your greatest common factor, your GCF or your GCD. Okay? So that is 6 times 2 is equal to 12. Okay? Ang GCD, ito naman ang number na madidivide niya yung 36 and 24. Okay? Now, kapag isasama mo naman ito, 6 times 2 times 3 times 2, okay, 6 times 3, times 2 pala, 6 times 2 times 3 times 2, this is equal to, this is 12, times 6, this is 72. Kapag isinama mo itong lahat, ito, this is your LCM. Okay? Para hindi malito, kung dito lang, this is your GCD or the GCF. Okay? Naiintindihan na ngayon ang pagkakaiba ng GCF tsaka LCM? GCF or LCM, naiintindihan? Least common denominator, pareho po yung LCM. Pero it applies sa fraction na LCD, sa fraction lang ginagamit. Okay? This is your ladder method, tama po, or your repeated division. Okay? Naiintindihan na, sana wala na magkakamali. Na kapag nasa left side lang ang iyong imumultiply, that's your GCF or your GCD. Pero pag isinama mo yung nasa baba, that's your least common multiple. Okay? So, very good. Naiintindihan na. Okay. Okay? So, medyo marami naligwak, pero okay lang yan. Ang sabi nga, dito sa Gurong Pinoy, this is your safe space. Okay lang na magkamali dito dahil itatama natin ang inyong mga pagkakamali para pagdating ng licensure examination ay siguradong tama na inyong mga sagot. Okay? So, let's proceed to our next item. That's item number 8. Number 8 na po. Number 8 na po tayo. How many prime numbers are there from 1 to 100? Is it A10, B15, C20, D25? Sabi ni E. Cola.